This is the TownPlace by Marriott, Brantford in Ontario, Canada. This is room 601. Okay. Nice big entryway with a kitchen. It's a full-size fridge, my dishwasher, and a full-size oven stove. Right here we have a closet. Kind of cool. It has like motion sensor lights. And then in here we have the sitting room. This couch turns into a bed. And then there's a nice big desk work area there. And then the bathroom is over here. Pretty standard bathroom. And it's like a tub and shower combo. And then they have the shampoo and conditioner here on the wall. Okay, and here's the bedroom. This is a king-size bed in here. There's another closet in here. The same motion sensor light. It's the exact same closet. Okay, lots of USB and plugs here. They've got some on the wall and then on the clock here. Same on the other side. Big chest of drawers here, and then 3 drawers there and 3 drawers over here. Okay, this is the pool area. It's completely indoors. It is not bad. I mean, it's a really simple pool. Okay, this is the gym area. It's actually quite a nice gym. 3 treadmills and a recumbent bike even, and lots of equipment, free weights. So hydration and medicine balls even. I think those are medicine balls. So yeah, that's it. It's not bad at all.